Folks, I love science. It shows us that we can learn anything about the human body as long as we're cool with losing a couple of mice. And I like to tell you about the latest scientific developments in my science segment.
The sound of science.
Hello, science, my old friend.
There you go. Hot. First up, according to new research, some people never get hangovers. Boom! No one wants to see Zach Galifianakis, Bradley Cooper, and Ed Helms in The Productive Morning Part 2. The science nerds don't fully understand the reason for hangover resistance, but they say those who are already stressed or depressed are more likely to suffer hangovers. Hello, we're drinking because we're stressed and depressed. There hasn't been something that was this much the problem and the solution since Taco Bell's cheesy gordita crunch. You know the slogan, eat it because you're sad, be sad because you ate it. Next up, I can go from a couple of those. Let's get some of those up in here. Next up, a fossilized fish up to 16 million years old was found in Australia with its last meal still intact. Still no word on why the fish was on death row. Next up, a new brain implant translates thoughts to speech in an instant, which was previously only achievable using a technology known as tequila. Next up, farmers are providing acupuncture treatment to their cows in France because advocates say the practice can boost immunity, improve milk production, and help with pain and other health issues. Scientists are hoping this works better than the last bovine wellness trend, cow Pilates.
Oh my. Yeah.
I maintain. That's a disturbing image.
Yep.
Next up on the South Side, according to a new study, people doing intense exercise experience time warp, making it feel as if they have been exercising for longer than they have. Yeah. You know who else can tell you that besides scientists? Anyone who's done a spin class. I'm already giving it everything I've got, Kaylin. No, I cannot lock in. No, I cannot dig deeper. No, it is not in me. Stop playing so much Journey. Next up, sharks are not the silent killers we thought. And for the first time, scientists have recorded sharks making noises, and we have the footage here of the sound a shark makes. Jim?
Dun, 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 dun. I'm a shark.
It's nice at the end, he goes, I'm a shark, so you wonder what bit you. Now, obviously, I'm just joshing for a joke, folks. That's not actually the sound sharks make. Here's the real recording released by researchers. We all know that sound. Turns out this whole time, sharks have been down there popping bubble wrap. I'm a shark. Next up, scientists have developed a new hopping robot they say has squirrel-like skills. Take a look. Here it goes, okay? And boom! Wow, just like a squirrel. Researchers say the Squirrelbot is a major step toward driving dog robots insane. Next up, what works for low back pain? Not much, a new study says.
Wow.
Thanks, new study. I've been this inspired since Scientific American published the article, Want to lose weight? You won't, fatty, says researchers. Next up, in scatological sporting news, scientists say that elite athletes' poop may hold clues to boosting metabolism and that mice given fecal transplants from elite cyclists had increased energy stores. They put human cyclist poop in a mouse? That's not science. That's just doing weird stuff. Lance, listen up. We need you to poop into the mouse. No. Totally rehabilitate your image. Poop on the mouse. Next up, news about what every little boy wants to be when he grows up, a dinosaur. Because scientists in Mongolia recently unearthed the largest preserved dinosaur claw, which belongs to a dino species known as Duwanakis sogbatari, that had claws close to a foot in size, which gave it hands that looked like barbecue tongs, which explains why the dinosaur was found wearing an apron that says, "Do you wanna kiss the cook?" We'll be right back with Pierce Brosnan.